heard the Heritage Singers with a song, and now Maureen will give us a short health tip.
Health and fitness for all. Health and fitness is a magical phrase. There can't be anyone not attracted by this phrase. Good health is one thing people value more than wealth. If you have health, then you can create wealth. Therefore, health and fitness is the foundation for happy living. Therefore, it is not surprising that everywhere you look, there are signs, advertisements telling you to get healthier. We see and hear messages that tell us that we need to be more physically fit. Shape up, that's what